Canva just got Veo 3. Have you seen it?
I'm glad I didn't miss this.
Canva just released a brand new tool a couple of days ago. I wanted to tell you more about it. They've just added Google's Veo 3 to their lineup. Here are some example videos, and you can add overlays and everything to it. Just like whenever you use other Canva tools, it's all integrated and very powerful. You can use it on mobile too. I do want to point out right now that it's only available on paid plans, and the limit right now is 5 generations per month, but they're working on expanding that. They're also going to roll it out to Leonardo soon. So, let me show you how to use it. When you come into Canva, go to Canva AI and click on that. Now, look at this. Create a video. That's where you want to go. Notice, it does have the crown there, meaning it's a premium feature. Once you click on that, you'll see some video samples that people have made. Be very careful. I've been told by a few people that if you click on one of these, you'll also use up one of your credits. So be warned. Remember, you only have 5 uses right now. So I created a prompt in ChatGPT, then I'll take it back here and drop it in. Right now, 16 by 9 and 8 seconds are the only options in those categories. Check out these other options and experiment. Let's see what I can make. Click on this when you're ready. You can chat using your voice too if you wanted. Look down here and you'll see it's starting to work. So I'll come back here when it's done. Click here to make it larger. Click here to play.
Meet Veo 3 on Canva, my new favorite team.
Pretty good. So if you wanted to make changes, you could, or if you wanted to insert it into the Canva editor, just click right there. It will also add it to your uploads. Let's download it too. If you need to make changes, you can put those right here. Just keep in mind, it's going to make a completely new video, and it may cost you a credit. But you can make changes if you wanted to. A few things I wanted to point out are, it generates its own sound effects. Sometimes it adds weird captions. Sometimes it is really loud, but overall, it does a really good job. Have fun experimenting. Tell me what you made with it in the comments below.
Meet Veo 3 on Canva, my new favorite team.
Are you serious? Canva has Veo 3 now?
Canva just got Veo 3. Have you seen it?
I'm glad I didn't miss this.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.